A garnish should have relevance to the cocktail, whether it's enhancing the flavor or the aroma. I'm going to demonstrate to you basic garnishes. We're going to start with the lime wedge. Cut off both tips of the lime, cut it through the middle, and then I'm going to cut it into 4 equal wedges. Looks nice and makes it easy to squeeze into the cocktail. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to make a lemon half wheel. Cut off the tip, cut off the other tip, cutting it through the center, but instead of cutting the wedges, I'm going to cut a half wheel. There's your lemon half wheel. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to cut a lime wheel. Cut off the tip, and then nice thin wheels. There's your lime wheel.